The Aspiring Solicitors mentor scheme was set up to support 40 Black, Asian and minority ethnic students who want to pursue a career in law. The students were selected by Aspiring Solicitors and then they were mentored by Norton Rose Fulbright and BP. We organised group mentoring sessions which involved discussions of commercial awareness and reading the financial press. There were also workshops and study sessions. Aspiring Solicitors give the candidates help with their application forms for vacation schemes and summer placements.
This initiative seeks to address a fundamental unfairness. If you look at the top 50 law firms, non-white lawyers are underrepresented, and increasingly so at the more senior levels. We're looking to make sure people are supported to both join the profession and to stay within it. Working with Aspiring Solicitors together with one of our most important clients, BP, means that the mentees get a really holistic experience.
Mentees benefit from participating in a whole host of ways. One of the most significant is to develop the basics of business, understanding the basic principles that apply to a corporate, to a law firm, or to both. And that can really help strengthen an individual's persuasiveness, knowledge, and credibility at an interview, which is quite often lacking within their interview process.
This was in a small group session, so just me and one other mentee. This was really a perfect setting to ask questions and to get constructive feedback without feeling shy or embarrassed if you've made a mistake. So that really helps developing your confidence. I also like that we had access to the NRF's learning and development workshops where we were taught how to write effective emails and how to be an effective presenter, which were things that I definitely apply even now.
The importance of client relations and how to be a good advocate. That was something that my mentor spoke quite a bit about. They took me through the process of gaining a new client and then how to talk to them. And that was something that we don't really get taught at university.
Part of our role as mentors is to put the mentees at ease and become relatable, friendly lawyers so they can ask all the questions that they want to ask in a safe environment. The bar today is set so high in terms of getting a training contract or entering into the profession. We want young, passionate, interested and interesting people entering law, so I think it's in very safe hands.
My experience with my mentees was fantastic, but what I'd say is I probably learned more than them. You can't progress DE&I without a pipeline for multiple job opportunities. We want everybody to go through a law firm to get the core training. But at the end of the day, working in a law firm was not for everybody. And that's where I think we come in and fill the gap. When we bring people into our organization, it makes us stronger. They're better lawyers and they have good values.
Without mentoring, to be frank, I wouldn't be here today. I've had several people that have assisted me along my journey through various setbacks or given me support along the way to help me navigate the difficulties, such as applying for training contracts and job interviews. So I really see the value of mentors.
I don't feel that my origins are a barrier to success. It's purely merit-based, and if I focus on doing a great job, then I would be successful regardless of how I look or where I'm from.
To solve complex problems, you need diverse ideas and diverse minds. I think it's a great way to meet people. Law's quite a close network of people. You may come across them in your life again.
We're really proud of our relationship with Aspiring Solicitors, having been found by a former associate at Norton Rose Fulbright, and we are very much committed to continuing that collaboration. I hope it's valuable for all the aspiring solicitors coming through because it's certainly very valuable for us.
By 2025, we want 15% of our partners and 25% of our staff overall to be from broad ethnicities.
Last year, 33% of NRF's trainees were AS members, so the proof is in the pudding.